Hey, what's up, guys? This video is brought to you by Lay's. Yummy, yummy chips. It's more behind us. Oh, Tim Hortons. I heard that Haven really liked those. Oh shit, that's a big ass dogo. Oh, fellow rider. Hello. Hello. See ya. I'm going. Okay, cool, bye. Can we go? 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 What's up? Sometimes you see some really weird type of decoration and shit in people's backyards. That's probably too much wind. I'm sure the audio is going to be crackling, but we'll see, right? But I'm pretty sure it's going to be crackling. Wow, they sell gas here? My God. That's a village? Wow. We've come a far way north. There's still civilization. St. Calix. Oh shit, that's far. Oh shit, that's a big dogo. Hey dogo. Hey y'all. Oh shit, that's a fucking. That was a gravel, so I slid a little bit. Fuck me. Wait, that's it? That was the whole fucking village? You fucking serious right now? But I wanted to do a U-turn. I thought it was bigger. That's what you said. Fuck. Okay, well, we need to find a place to turn because I don't want to go to St. Calix. That's too fucking far. And cold. No. Oh, that's a hockey ring thing with basketball too. This is like a healthy supermarket. Only has vegetables and shit like that. Not my kind of place if you catch my drift. I'm feeling snackish. I want to eat a snack. I don't know where I should go. I think they're all closed. Oh. I probably told you guys this already, unless I edited the footage out, but I used to work at Enzyme across the street right there. It's a video game testing place. I tested video games for a lot of years in functionality, and then I did functionality, then we did compliance, and then we did playtest and focus groups, and then we changed places, went to somewhere else. Then we did playtest and focus group and project manager. Oh, that's not a typical Audi driver. Did you borrow that car to someone else? I think you did. I'm gonna have to put my foot on the ground. This is one thing that I really dislike, and I'm sure most riders dislike as well, is to put your foot on the ground, because you need to do a full stop. So a lot of them like to, you know, do the slow game, but I won't have a choice. Whoop. See, he's happy. He likes my helmet. Nice car. That's a little bit awkward. Jesus, can this gray car learn to drive? I'm scared. Quick question. Movie night. Should we try to organize another movie night? I don't know. Like, we did one so far. It was nice. I liked it. We did watch Papillon, which was a cool movie. But maybe next time we're gonna do like more like a comedy, like something funny. And if you guys are interested in watching movie night, make sure to head over to the Discord. And at the bottom, total bottom of the Discord, there's a self-assigned role for movie night. You click that to assign yourself the role, and then we can ping you when we do it the next movie night. It might be this month, I would think, maybe, if you want to, if I want to, if everybody wants to. So yeah, I'll see you guys there, I guess. But yeah, make sure to assign yourself the role so that, you know, you receive a notification when we do the movie night. I think it'd be fun. I just, you know, hey, look, a Tim Martin. I wonder who that reminds me of. I'm pretty sure he likes that girl with pink hair. That is the main character in a game where you go in a straight line forever and you kill enemies and get stronger. Oh, it's getting sunny. Woo! Hey, another graveyard. Does that remind you of Genshin Impact character? Like Noelle or something? Because in case you guys didn't know, I decided I'm going to go free to play, by the way, for Genshin Impact. So what we're going to do is mostly nothing. We're not doing the Welcome Moon. We're not doing the Welcome Moon. We're not doing the Battle Pass. Can this guy go? Hello? And yeah, we're just gonna, you know, be a free to play, by the way, user, and that's it. This car in front of me annoys me. Go play on the highway, buddy. Buddy. Where am I? We go left here. Oh my god, this person is 500 years old. Oh, that's gravel and scary. Oh my god. But oh my god, you slow ass motherfucker. Jesus. Why are people like this? My goodness. Oh no, mistakes were made. I just remembered the street. That's the street with the fucking 15,000 dough downs. Oh no. And plus there's gravel here. Can we go now? Yeah, it's red, but it means we can go, right? I'm kidding, guys. Here where we live, we're allowed to go right side on the red light, as long as there's no sign saying that you can't, and as long as there's you know no other cars or whatever that are gonna run you over. Hello. I thought it was a scooter for a second, but I thought it was a Grom. Where does right side brings you? Oh, looks like a nice road. We can go. You see those things, those patches on the ground? Those are super slippery. Don't go on them unless you want to fall. I mean, on a bike, obviously. Like, I mean, if you're on the foot, nobody gives a shit. But yeah, on a bike, avoid going over them because they are slippery AF. Holy shit, that house is amazing. I mean, it's a 1 million plus house, but you know, it's amazing. Oh my goodness. Guys, buy me this house, please. Thank you. Yo, this one's also pretty fucking bomb. Holy moly. Ugh. Wow. Yeah, I would have added a fence on your area if I were you. Those are big ass trees. Actually, like, I think it was last year or the year before, one of those trees actually cracked and broke because of a lightning storm or thunderstorm or whatever they're called. And yeah, that's the end of my story. Look at those stones, how old they look. Like, is that like an ancient tower or something? Every time I come by this boulevard, I'm like, god damn, some of the houses on this place are fucking horrendous. Like, what the fuck is this shit? So, by the way, if you're new to the channel, please consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to the channel. It would be very much appreciated. You can also join our Discord if you want to be up to date on everything. The link is going to be in the description box. And that's it. Thank you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye bye. Bye. Whoops, forgot to shift. Bye bye. Those are some nice houses though. Wait, what? That's amazing. I don't like the top though, but the bottom was insanely good looking. Oh my goodness. Wow. Yeah, skids though. Ugh. Wait, what the fuck is this? Guys, what? We have to go see. I kind of did not do my stuff, but that's a small detail, right? You guys did see this house? Oh my goodness. That is insane. Oh, wow. Fucking castle, bruh. This is for the homies. I got you, boys.